Right now I got a quick video for you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how to take. Ooh, my door looks real clean from the steam clean, but I'm gonna show you how to take this this strip off your door. I'm gonna take off the door panel, and it unscrews from the back. So I'm gonna show you guys right now in this video. So what I'm gonna do now is there's a screw in here. I'm gonna unscrew that. I'm gonna take this screw out here, and then there's gonna be two screws here behind this cover, and then I'm gonna lift the cover off. Alright, so I'm gonna take out the screws and then catch back the video for you guys. So right now I took off the cover that was here. I just used a flathead, applied the cover to the side. You just push this little tab sideways and it'll release it, and you just pull it forward. And then there's two screws behind here. 1, 2. Those are these two screws here. Just unscrew those. Then there's gonna be one down here. And you unscrew that. I use a big long screwdriver for that. Then there's gonna be this one here on the side. This long screw. So with this long screw, it'll keep spinning in the inside when you unscrew the screw. So what I use is these long needle nose pliers. I stick it through the side. I stick it through the side here to hold it while I unscrew it here. That's how I get the screw out. So now all I have to do is basically just pop the door panel off. So you just pull on it. Just pull on the panel, and it pops. So then you lift the top, and you lift the other top, and it'll come out. So then you have, this is for the door handle. Push this bracket backwards here. Push this bracket, it just clips onto this. So you just push this backwards and you lift this up to get that out. Then there's going to be another plug here. Pull that out. There's other plugs down here to get to. And there's another plug here for the door lights. That one out. There's one here. That came out. So I'm gonna leave those wires in here. Whatever. So now I'm gonna attempt to take out the screws to get this top molding off. This is this module here. So with this module being here, these are the bulbs that you gotta change to replace the lights in these. But I already replaced those, put LEDs in those. But what I'm gonna do is take out the screws to take out the metal trim, and then I'm gonna catch back the video for you guys. I'm here to catch back the video to take out the door trim. As you can see, the trim is definitely coming out here in the front. I actually took out the memory buttons that goes here. It just sits behind here, the memory buttons, and it's like one screw here and a little screw here. Now, these are all the screws I had to take out just to get out this panel, to get this strip out. So all the screws that I showed you guys behind here, you got to take out all the screws, which sucks, but ACURA, that's how they made it. So salute to them. You got to pull the liner back and take out all the screws, all of these screws that they have here. So once you take out all the screws on the top, on the bottom here, and on the top and on the side, you just tug on this and it'll come out the front. Okay, so right now you have door handle, the locking mechanism, and you have this, which was taken out already from the back here by two small screws. It's gonna be two small screws holding this in. The seat memory. It's gonna be two little screws holding it in. One on the left and one on the right. Bolted in behind here. Alright, so those are the two screws for that. Okay, so seat memory is out. Okay, so now we have the trim, the carbon fiber trim here, and we have the metal trim that I already wrapped in carbon fiber. Okay, so since that's already out, as I can see here, this just pops. You have to lift this and push this out. See? So I just lift this tab up here. Let me focus this. So I just lift this tab up here and pushed it this way. So now, should have just locked it back in place. So now this piece will slide over and come out. See? Okay. So what I did was I used some pressure and I slid it out this way because that's what it's going to do. So you have to lift this tab up here that connects onto this and then pull it outwards, and then the controls will come out, the door handle and the locking and unlocking mechanism will come out, and there you go. You just have the door trim that you can take off and wrap. You can do this. This is for all doors. It works the same way on all of the doors. And you can just wrap them just like this. Slide this out. Give me a second. Let me catch back the video. Let me slide this out. Okay, yeah. We'll just wrap it like this on this strip. And that's how you wrap. That's how you get the door handle, the door trim off. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And basically, you just put everything back in reverse order. So I'm gonna put everything back, and then I'm gonna catch back the video so you guys can see how I put everything back. So I just put back all these little screws in the back, put the door handle back on, and all of that. Yes, they made it very complicated just to get this one strip off, and it's gonna be just as complicated for the other door, the passenger side door, and the back door and the other door. If you're looking to wrap the trims, an easier way is to take it off like this. I wrapped them on the doors. It came out okay. It didn't come out perfect, but it came out good enough. But I am definitely going to be rewrapping them. So I just wanted to make a quick video just showing you guys how to take out the door trim on the door. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, everything back on. Trim is on here. Everything's back on. Good to go. Checked everything. Everything's working the way that it should. And do the same for all the doors. Alright.